2020 US Open will have a different feeling. The tennis tournament thrives on the passion of fans. But this year, for the first time ever, the Grand Slam will be spectatorless. And it's the USTA's work with IBM, embracing hybrid cloud and AI, that has prepared them to adapt in the COVID era, where sports can go on with fans everywhere except on site. And for IBM, the work to help the US Open innovate began nearly 30 years ago. In 1992, IBM became the official technology partner of the USTA and the US Open. In 1995, IBM and the USTA introduced the first official tournament website, usopen.org. Then in 2007, Slam Tracker launched to provide a live interactive view and point-by-point scoring. By 2011, the USTA and IBM collaborated to develop Keys to the Match, which analyzed 39 million data points to reveal insights that indicate how players need to perform to win. Fast forward to today, IBM continues to help the USTA innovate by ushering the game into the modern era with enhanced fan and player experiences, built with artificial intelligence and underpinned with the hybrid cloud. And 2020 is a year like no other. In a recent IBM survey of US sports fans, nearly half, 48%, think having an interactive digital experience has become more important since the coronavirus outbreak. For Gen Z, that number jumps to 64%. IBM and the USTA made a massive pivot to create new fan experiences for fans everywhere. Experts from IBM iX, IBM's digital design agency, collaborated with the USTA to create new fan experiences based on IBM's AI and hybrid cloud technologies. The result? The deployment of 3 entirely new digital experiences, 2 of which are based on natural language processing, or NLP, from IBM Watson. The first, Open Questions with Watson Discovery. IBM will facilitate several debates among fans on usopen.org, just not how you would think. It will start with a question, such as, is Chris Evert the best to ever play the game? IBM will use NLP capabilities in Watson Discovery to analyze millions of news and sports sources for insights, converting unstructured data into pro and con arguments for the debate. Fans can then weigh in and add their opinions to the debate so that arguments can actually change over time. Match insights with Watson Discovery. This tool sifts through millions of articles, blogs, and thought leaders, leading into a match to gather insights. It then uses natural language generation technology from IBM Research to translate structured data, like statistics from prior matches, into narrative form, so fans can get fact-based insights on the players and their opponents ahead of match play. AI sounds. Among the challenges the USTA faced this year was how to recreate the sound of fans inside the stadium. IBM leveraged its AI highlights technology to recreate crowd sounds gleaned from hundreds of hours of video footage captured during last year's tournament. The AI Sounds Toolkit will be available to the production teams in Stadium and at ESPN. With fans largely unable to attend live sporting events in 2020, the demand for engaging technologies using AI has been accelerated. With technology supported by a scalable hybrid cloud, IBM has transformed its offerings to engage with tennis fans globally in this new virtual environment.